Hello students, today we are covering Unit 3 Database Management System. Today we talk about the table, how to create tables in database. So we start OpenOffice database. When we click on the OpenOffice database, it will ask you to create a new database or open an existing database. We are going to create a new database. Click on next, then click on finish. It will create a new database, so it will ask the name of the database. I'm going to create the database student information. Save. When you click on the save, it will create a database and open the database window for you. What you can do in the database, you can create the tables, you can create the queries, forms and reports. Today we are covering how to create table in OpenOffice database. We can create the tables with two methods. With the two methods, the first is your design view, second is the wizard. First is the design view. When we create the table in the design view, it will ask the four things about the table. First is the field name, second is the field type, third is the field description, and fourth is the field properties. First, we are going to assign the different fields to a table. Just like I'm going to create a student database. So student have the roll number, then student name, next is the city, next is the contact number, next is the date of birth, next is the address. Then we change the field type. You know about the different type of data we can assign in the database. First, in the roll number, we can assign the integer type of data, which can be tiny integer, small integer, integer, or the big integer. When you assign the when you take the data type as a tiny integer, it will only and only take the 3-digit values. When you take the small integer, it will take the 5-digit field length. Next is your integer is take 10 digits, and big integer in which you can store the 19-digit values. So the roll number, we are taking the roll number as a small integer. Next is the student name. Is the text varchar. Text varchar means we can store the alphabets, numbers, symbols in this field. When we take the varchar, varchar means variable character length. It will take the memory space according to your data. Just like my name is Anju, it will take the 4-byte space. And my school name is OSTV. It will take the 5 bytes of space. Next is the city. City is also the character type value. We can store the Kaithal, Karnal, Kurukshetra, Chandigarh, Panipat, Delhi. We can store any type of value. So we can take the field name, field type as a text varchar. Next is your contact number. It comes in the digits, and the contact number, if you want to store the mobile number, it takes the 10 digits. So you can take the integer. But if you want to store the country code also, then country code also contain the 2 digits. Matlab the total field length is your 12 digits. So you can take the big integer if you want to store the country code. But I am taking only integer because I only want to store the contact number. Next is your date of birth. You can store the date, time, and the date and time both. But I am taking the date because I want to store only date in my date of birth. If you want to store the time, you can take the time. If you want to store date and time both, you can take date and time. I am taking the date. Next is your address. Address is also the text varchar. Next is your field description. You can describe your field just like R number stands for roll number. DOB stands for date of birth. You can describe any information in your description box. Next is your field properties. Field properties vary according to your data type. If you take the small integer, it will, you can see it appears four property. There is appear four properties. If you take the integer, you can see five properties is available for you. Next is your date. You can see the three properties, but the field properties can be changed according to the data type. But there is a five field types of properties which appears with the integer data type. Just like auto value. Auto value matlab it will assign automatically values to the fields. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Entry required, the next property. Entry required is a property which is available with the date, varchar. Each and every data type contains a field property entry required. What is that property? Entry required is a property which have the value yes or no. If you set the value yes, then but as a function of yes. Yes means entry is mandatory for the field. मतलब compulsion है. It will take the data from the user. Otherwise, it will not move to the next field. If you set the entry required no, what is the meaning of no? No means there is no hard and fast compulsion to fit the value in the field. You can skip the field and move to the next field. Yeah. Next is your field data length. Length is a property. How many maximum characters can assign to the field. Just like you can set 20, 10, anything. You can change your field length. Default value. As the default value means you can set the default value 0 or default value none. Default value means by default the field contains which kind of value or which type of value, which value a field can contain. That is your default value. Next is your format example. When you take the date or when you take the currency, you can set assign the different format of your date. Just like if you take the date and you want to assign key 5, 8, anything, you can see the different types of data, different types of dates are available in this format. Different formats you can see and you can assign to your field different kind of data. Okay. Next is your address. You can take any type of data. Now you can also assign the primary key. Roll number, we can assign the primary key. Roll number as a primary key means primary key which takes a unique value for the field. Which takes the unique value for the field. Roll number is a field which can take the unique value. If we want to set the student name as a primary key, can we assign? No, we can't assign the student name as a primary key. Why? Because the same name can be assigned to the two students. It can be maybe the two names or the three names student can be in the same section. Okay? So roll number is one of the field which is assigned by the school, and each and every student got their own roll number. Okay. Okay. Next is here when you close the date table, it will ask to store the save the table. Yes, I want to save the table. By default, the table name is table 1, but we can change it according to the need. Student personal information or student personal data. Okay. Table ready. When you open the table, you can start the entries. Just like I was going to assign 101. The name of the student is Anu. City, Cathal. Contact number, date of birth, 12/6/2001. Address, 614 oblique 10 hash 614 oblique 10. Now you can see our date is not clearly visible, so we can drag the field and now it is proper visible to you. Contact number is going to be changed because I'm going to give the digits uh, 10 or 12. It can contain only and only 10 digits. So I am writing any number which contains only 6 digits. Then it will accept as a number. You can see. Next. Okay. Next. 102. Next record. Akshat. City. Karnal. Contact number. Date of birth. Address. Now we feed the third record. 103. Kavish. Also from the Kethal. Write the contact number. Then date. Next address. Next record. 104. Adesh. Also from the Karnal. Then the contact number. Then date of birth. Then the address. Okay. You can store the table like this. Next, you can create the table through the wizard also. Wizard means wizard are the ready-made steps which you can follow to create the table. When you click on the use wizard to create the table, you can create the table. Personal is the category. Then you can select the table addresses. Next are the fields which you can accept. If you want to take all the fields, you can click on the double arrow. It will move all the fields together. If you don't want, you can move the backward. If you want to select one by one, select the field and then shift to the next column. Just like I'm taking city, first name, then phone number. Then next, you can change the field name. If you want to change the field name, just like I want to change first name as a student name, I can change the field name. I can also change the field type. You can see multiple data types are available. I can also set the property field, enter required, yes or no. Also set the field name. If you want to change the field name, you can change. It can be 15. Okay. Next, you can change the order of the field also. I want the student name comes at the topmost. You can select the student name and move to the top. Okay. Next, click on next. If you want to set the primary key in the table, you can also assign the primary key. Just like I want to set the primary key as a student name as a primary key. Then click on next. Then You want to set the name of the table, it can be addresses, or you can change the name of the table. You can set address. Finish. You can see, you can enter the records of the student. Akshat, Chetan, city, Karnal, Ethel. Then the contact number you can write. Yeah, you can write the contact number. You can also write the contact number. You can close it. Yes. But if you want to enter, you can see the two tables here. You can see the primary key concept here. If I want to enter the another record with the same name, Chetan, and the city is Karnal, one from the Ethel, one from the Karnal, but what will happen? You can see what will happen. Bolte Chetan, you can see the error. Why? Because Chetan is already exist. I'm going to change the name Anuj. Then it will accept. See, what is the function of primary key? It can't repeat the duplicate value. Okay, you can't feed the duplicate values in the table. That is the concept of table. I think now you can create the multiple types of table, you can create the customer table, you can create the table for the department, you can create the employees table, you can create different types of tables for your project. Okay, thank you for the session. Goodbye. Have a nice day.